So from the development perspective, I have two options how I can create the producer and consumer. I can go either with the branching, so I can leave this version 2.0 to have this single robot, to not have it split, or I can create another branch and to have the producer and consumer and have that branch up to date recently. Well, it's really up to you. In my case, I'm gonna choose to create a separate folder, which I'm gonna name it process, or I don't know, single process, and I'm gonna select Control A, accept to the client process and accept to the Git folder. Please keep in mind that this Git, you don't need to move it from here. Entities and local, they are specific to the project. And because I want to do a project organize, I'm just gonna press Control X, which means cut, and go here in the single process and hit Control V, which means paste. And by the way, before that, I have closed UiPath Studio. So now I can have a single process, which I'm gonna commit. And let's say add single process. Okay. And let's hit another commit. And we can have a look to this, what Git did. Basically, they will mark the screenshots missing and it will add the same files but in a separate folder. So let's hit commit. And I want to create two folders. So this will be the producer and this will be the consumer, where I'm gonna add the additional projects. Now, I want to say something that you cannot add folders which are empty in the Git. They need to have a file. So that's the reason I cannot add these two in the Git right now.
Ei, hoje, 8 horas da noite, terceira e melhor aula de intensivão de Power BI. Te espero lá, hein?
It's not added.
Congratulations on becoming an alpha tester for Metaverse. You will soon be joining a shared VR space with Spatial Audio, accompanied by Mark Zuckerberg, who will test this environment with you.
Files. This will delete, by the way, the consumer producer. Let's say I'm gonna not check directories. So let's see that.
Today, we're going to talk about
or you
the
can
metaverse.
easily kill Git and redo. But this is just a behavior from the Git side. Great, now let's go to the next video.
Start